each word by sounding out the letters. Okay? Stop. Alrighty. This word begins with letter
B.
B makes what sound?
B. B.
Very good. B.
E.
What other sound does G make? Good. Say it again.
B. E. G. B. E. G.
Now, if we blend the letter sounds, that means say them just a little faster, then we can start to hear the word. Big. Big.
Big.
Big.
Like Uncle Kenneth and Uncle Mike.
Yes, very good. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Okay, sit down. Let's move on to the next word. That was very good. Okay? Look at this word. This word begins with letter G makes what sound?
G.
G. Very good. G.
M.
Okay. G.
And
No. What sound does letter O make? It makes a...
O.
Yeah, it makes more than one sound. In this word, it's making the O sound. So, let's try again. Look. O.
O.
Put them together. G. O. Go.
Go. Just go away.
Yeah, look as mommy's pointing to them. We're going to say them together. Ready? G.
Go. You mean
Okay.
just go away.
Okay, stop. All right, now, let's try this one. This word begins with letter
C.
C makes what sound? C also makes what sound? Very good. Say it again. What is it?
It's not two.
Which word is it? Did you hear it as you were sounding it out? Which word is it? Which word is it? Say it. Let's try it again. Come on, Paige. Focus. Say the letter sounds. Say it again, a little faster. Do you hear it? What's the
Yeah.
word? What's the word?
That's the
But what word is that? No. So let's say it again a little faster. At. Don't forget the beginning letter sound. At. At.
cat.
Good job. You can stop.